And what if I told you that building and deploying a fully working app could be as easy as clicking a button or running a single command? No wrestling with Docker, no complex setup, no wasted hours debugging deployment pipelines, just instant results. Well, that's exactly what Phoenix.new AI promises, but is it really game-changing or just hype? Stick with me until the end because we're running real-world tests comparing it against existing methods, and I'll even walk you through a live step-by-step demo of creating and deploying an app with Phoenix.new plus Fly.io. So let's dive in. Phoenix.new is the new kid on the block in app development, but it's not just another framework. Think of it as an AI-assisted app generator built on the power of Elixir and the Phoenix framework, with seamless deployment on Fly.io. It takes one of the biggest headaches in development, setting up projects and pushing them live, and makes it ridiculously simple. Instead of days setting up repos, configuring CI/CD and deploying manually, you just run mixphx.new or use the Phoenix.new platform and boom, you're live. So why Elixir? Why Phoenix? Elixir is a functional language built on the Erlang VM, famous for massive scalability and fault tolerance. That's why companies like Discord, Pinterest, and WhatsApp use it. It can handle millions of connections at once. Phoenix, the web framework for Elixir, is known for real-time features like channels and LiveView. If you've ever wanted real-time dashboards, multiplayer collaboration, or live chat in your app, Phoenix makes that almost effortless. Now combine that with AI scaffolding plus Fly.io deployment, and you've got a recipe for lightning-fast app creation. This is where it gets exciting. Phoenix.new isn't just about spinning up local projects, it's fully integrated with Fly.io, a global app hosting platform. That means when you generate your app, you're not just writing code, you're already set up to deploy it globally with one command. No juggling servers, no custom dev ops scripts, no headaches. Think of it as Next.js with Vercel, but for the Elixir ecosystem and optimized for real-time performance. Alright, let's actually build something with Phoenix.new and deploy it. Follow along. Step 1. Install Elixir and Phoenix Mix Archive.install hex phx_new. Step 2. Generate a new Phoenix app mix phx.new my_app cd my_app. This command scaffolds out a full-featured app, authentication, database setup, LiveView, all ready to go. Step 3. Run the app locally, mix ecto.create mix phx.server. Now your app is running locally at localhost 4000. Step 4. Deploy to Fly.io, fly auth log and fly launch. And just like that, Fly.io builds your app in the cloud, provisions servers, and gives you a live URL. And here's our app. Live on the internet in under 10 minutes. Now let's talk numbers. Compared to traditional frameworks like Rails or Django, Phoenix apps are up to 10x faster in handling concurrent connections, more memory efficient thanks to the Erlang VM, and with Phoenix.new plus Fly.io, deployment time drops from hours to minutes. Of course, benchmarks depend on your use case, but early tests show Phoenix.new is setting new standards for developer velocity. So is Phoenix.new perfect? Not quite. Pros: instant app scaffolding, real-time features, built-in scales, massively Fly.io integration makes deployment painless. Cons: smaller ecosystem compared to JavaScript frameworks. Learning curve for Elixir if you're new to functional programming. Not as many third-party libraries as Node.js or Python. But for startups, indie hackers, and teams that need scalable apps fast, Phoenix.new is a total game changer. Picture this. A startup founder spinning up a real-time chat app in hours, not weeks. A SaaS team deploying dashboards with live analytics globally in minutes. A student learning Elixir by deploying a portfolio app with zero DevOps hassle. Phoenix.new isn't just faster, it's opening doors for developers who don't want to waste time on deployment complexity. So, could Phoenix.new be the future of app deployment? I think it's a strong contender. But what do you think? Would you switch from Rails, Django, or Node.js to try Phoenix.new? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. Check out the links below to try Phoenix.new and read Simon Willison's deep dive. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more deep dives into cutting-edge developer tools. Until next time, keep building, keep deploying, and I'll see you in the next video. So, could Phoenix.new be the future of app deployment? I think it's a strong contender, but what do you think? Would you switch from Rails, Django, or Node.js to try Phoenix.new? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I read every single one. Check out the links below to try Phoenix.new and read Simon Willison's deep dive. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more deep dives into cutting-edge developer tools. Until next time, keep building, keep deploying, and I'll see you in the next video.